Hello students of standard 7. Today we will see decimal form of rational numbers. First example is write the number 5 upon 3 in decimal form. Divide 5 by 3. 5 point take 0 0. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Take 0 down. This 0 is coming here. It is after the decimal point, so put point here. Now it becomes 20. We know 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. Then take this 0 down here. Now it is 20. Again 3 6 are 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. If you take again 0 0 0, every time 2 will be remainder and division will be of 6. Now this answer is 1.66 and here I am writing 5 upon 3 equal to 1.666 dot dot dot. Means remainder is not coming 0. Every time remainder is 2 and that's why here 666 will continue. Means 6 is repeating, and when the number is going to repeat, that time no need to write like this. But when remainder is not coming 0, that time how to write quotient? 1.666 dot dot dot. Dot dot means what? It is continuing. And how to write this number in short? The number which is going to repeat or repeating, put dot on that number, and the remaining numbers no need to write. So the answer is 1.6 dot. The meaning of dot is 6 is recurring or repeating. Now second example, write the number 2 upon 11 in decimal form. So divide 2 by 11. Now take 2 as 2.000. How many we want? Now 2 is smaller than 11. We cannot divide by 2. So quotient is 0 here. 11 zeros are 2 minus 0 is 2. Take this 0 down. Then it becomes 20. But 0 is coming after decimal point. So give point here on top, means in quotient. Now 20 is here. We know 11 ones are 11. 20 minus 11 is 9. Then take another 0 down. Now it becomes 90. 11 eights are 88. 90 minus 88 is 2. Then take next 0 down. It is 20. Again 11 ones are 11. 20 minus 11 is 9. Take this last 0 down. Again 90 here. Then 11 eights are 88. 90 minus 88 is 2. Again you can take 0. The process goes on. It is not going to stop here. Means remainder is not coming 0. That's why we can continue this process. Now how to write this question? 2 upon 11 equal to 0.1818 dot dot dot. Means process is not going to stop here. And group of 2 digits is going to repeat 181818. Then how to write in short? 2 upon 11 is equal to 0.18 and bar. 0.18 bar on top 18. The group of digits which is recurring or repeating on that 2 digits or 3 digits or 4 digits, you have to put bar, and the next dot dots no need to write. This is the decimal form of given rational number. Third example is find the decimal form of 2 integer 1 upon 3. Now convert it into fraction. 2 integer 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1 is 7. The fraction is 7 upon 3. It is a rational number. Now divide 7 by 3. 7 by 3, but take 7.00. Now 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Take this 0 down, but it is coming after decimal point, so put point here in quotient. Now the number is 10. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Take next 0 down. 10. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Again remainder is 1. Now every time you will get remainder 1. Process is not going to stop. We can continue this division by taking 0 zeros afterwards. Now therefore 2 integer 1 upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 3 equal to, the answer is 2.33. But remainder is not 0. That's why dot dot dot. We can continue this division. Now which digit is repeating here? 3. Always coming 3 3 3. So on this 3 top you write here dot. So the answer is 2 integer 1 upon 3 is equal to 2.3 dot. So this is the decimal form. For the example, find decimal form of 5 upon 6. Means divide 5 by 6. 5 divided by 6, but take 5.000 to find answer. Now 5 is smaller than 6, so zeros division, 5 minus 0 is 5. Take this 0 down, 50 it is, give point here because 0 is coming after decimal point. Now 6 8s are 48, 50 minus 48 is 2. Then take another 0 down, it is 20. Then 6 3s are 18, 20 minus 18 is 2. Then take next 0 down, it is 20. Again 6 3s are 18, 20 minus 18 is 2. Remainder is 2, remainder is not 0, means we can continue this process. That's why answer is 5 upon 6 equal to 0.833 dot means 3 is going to repeat here. So recurrence of 3. Then how to write answer? 5 upon 6 is equal to 0.83 dot is only on 3 stop, not 8. 8 is not repeating, 3 is repeating, that's why. So here this type of decimal form of rational number is called a recurring decimal form. Recurring decimal form means there is one digit or group of digits is going to repeat or recurring. That's why this form is called recurring decimal form. Your homework is solve practice set 24 in maths notebook.